Namaskar. Hello everyone. Arvidi here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us go ahead with the next video of my playlist, a course on C programming, where C programming is simplified. So in this video, we will be looking at one program for understanding the concept of if-else, which we've already seen in the previous video. So in this video, we'll be looking at a program to check whether the given integer is even or odd. Again, as I said already, we'll be starting with some simple examples and slowly we'll even try to go for the one which are a bit more complex. So in this, let us start. We'll be having an integer variable as an input. So I can print the message to the user saying that enter an integer. Okay, so that will be taken as a. Now we need to decide whether this given integer a is even or odd. Now the simple logic for checking even or odd is by finding the remainder after dividing the number by 2. So if I divide the number by 2 and if the remainder is 0, then that number is called as even number. And if the remainder happens to be 1, then that number is considered to be odd number. So now how do we find the remainder? If you remember, when we have done operators, we had seen arithmetic operator, and one of the arithmetic operator is a remainder operator. The sign for the same is a percent sign. So if I use that, I'll be directly getting the remainder after division. Okay, so let us start. If a mod 2, generally we call it as modulus or mod. If a mod 2 is equal to 0, then it is very clear that the given integer is even. So I will say %d is even. Okay, now in else part I can write %d is odd. Okay, I forgot to mention the argument, which will be a for the upper one also. Okay, so that's the simple logic for checking even or odd. I repeat again, I have taken the input as an integer in a variable a. Now if a mod 2 is equal to 0, it is considered to be an even integer or an even number. If not, so we go to the else part, and now that is considered to be odd integer. Okay, so let's go ahead and execute. First I need to compile. Okay, it gets compiled successfully. So if I give integer as 45, you can see the message 45 is odd. If I give something which is even, I'll be getting 24 is even. It obviously works very well with negative numbers as well. So if I have minus 21, it will be considered as odd. If I put minus 58, then that is considered to be even. Now what will happen for 0? Obviously with the logic, 0 will be considered as even, because for 0, the remainder after dividing it by 2 should be 0 itself. So 0 will be considered as even. Fine, so that's the logic for checking whether the given integer is even or odd. In further programs, we'll even try to do some specific questions on nesting of if-else, where we'll be able to go ahead with some complex concepts and understand them better with very simple programs. So as far as the current video is concerned, it was about checking even or odd, and that's what we've already completed. So that's it for this video. Thank you and happy learning.